Okay, for number 25, we are going to divide this out. As we can see, on the top, we have 1, 2, two terms, right? And on the bottom, we only have just one term. So whenever we're trying to divide this with just one term on the bottom, we can just split the fraction, right? So here is the first step. I will write this down as 8x y to the second power like this. And we'll put this over that 14x y to the third power. And then next, I will put this down as plus, and then we have the 28, and then the x to the third power, y to the fifth power, over this 14x y to the third power. And now, we can just focus on simplifying this and simplifying this. All right, let's do the first one right here first. We have 8 and 14. We know we can use 2 to reduce. 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 14 7 times. So now we will have on the top the number 4 and on the bottom the number 7. 4 over 7 for now. And then let's look at the variable, the x. Well, this is x to the first power, this is x to the first power, so they cancel each other out completely. No more x left. And here we have y to the second power. Here we have y to the third power. We have more y's on the bottom, right? So we will have some y left on the bottom. You can just do 3 minus 2, so you have 1 y left. So you know, cancel this out and this becomes 1. Therefore, you will just have y to the first power left on the bottom. So that's it for the first one. Next, this right here. 28 over 14. We know 14 goes into 14 one time. 14 goes into 28 exactly 2 times. 28 over 14 is equal to 2. So we can just put this down plus, let's draw a fraction bar, and we have the 2 left on the top, right? And over 1, okay? And you see, next we have x to the third power. This is x to the first power. We can just do 3 minus 1, and this is out now. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have x to the second power left on the top. And next, you have y to the fifth power over y to the third power. So this is out now, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have y to the second power left on the top, just like this, right? Always use the bigger exponent minus that. So this is how you can deal with it when you have passed the exponents, when you have to divide. And notice that this is just over 1, so I didn't need to put on over 1. I can just write this down. 2x squared y squared, and let me write it down better. 2x squared y squared, like that. And we are done. This is it. Once again, split the fractions and reduce each one individually. That's it.